You just need a few ingredients from the garden. Some cherry tomatoes, and you gotta make sure they're red, not green. Chocolate lettuce. Some fresh parsley. A fresh lime.
There you go.
So we'll need some lettuce. Make sure to use scissors to cut them, otherwise you'll pull out the roots.
Probably get twice as much. Feed 4 people.
Ingredients. Make sure you wash them well. Tuna with some salt and pepper.
Yep.
And some soy. Soy covers the tuna well. On a hot pan, sear your tuna until all sides are cooked. Make sure to turn your tuna, otherwise it will burn. So it doesn't overcook. You'll need to boil some eggs and steam some diced potato. In the potato, steam the green beans as well. Is mustard, olive oil, red wine vinegar, or balsamic vinegar. I like to add fresh lemon or lime juice, whatever you have in the backyard. Add some sea salt because there's a lot of starch in the potatoes from there.
You right?
Put eggs in boiling water for 8 minutes, then put them in cold water to peel them. I have my apprentice to help me do this.
This job is excellent. Thanks, brother.
All your ingredients, including the dressing. So with your tuna, cut it in thin pieces and then place it on like so. And I like Parmesan on mine. Dinner's ready.
Yum, that looks delicious.